going on, guys? Jay that drain guy. We're in factory warehouse. This is a women's washroom. Those who know Ontario, this is Brampton. So we're going to use the auger today. And this is what we call easy money. What's the point of even making these tanks this big? Makes no sense. Just snake that one more time just to make sure. Going through super easy. Most likely just too much paper. One more flush. Everyone knows the rule. Alright guys, there you go. This is a Glacier Bay toilet. I want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time, this has been Jay that Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.